What qualifies a car as a lemon? A vehicle may qualify as a lemon in California if it has a substantial defect that affects its use, value, or safety and cannot be repaired after a reasonable number of attempts. Some examples of a substantial defect include problems such as repeated breakdowns, engine problems, transmission problems, and electrical issues. A reasonable number of attempts to repair the defect is typically defined as 2 or more repair attempts for the same problem. If your vehicle meets this criteria, it may qualify as a lemon under California lemon law, and you may be entitled to a refund or buyback of your purchase price, including any incidental costs such as towing and rental expenses. It's important to keep detailed records of the problems with your vehicle and the repair attempts made, including any photos and videos of the problem, as the evidence will be crucial in determining whether your vehicle qualifies as a lemon. A qualified lemon law attorney can help you evaluate your case and determine if you have a valid claim under the law.